truth, I'm calling you guys because there are no more darlings, girls of St. Anthony's. But you have proved to be such beautiful young women. Incredible, as it said. Incredible India, no, incredible St. Anthony's. And each one of you have proved that. And I want to thank you very much for all that you have done for us and made it so meaningful by giving yourself so generously and not sparing yourself to give us such a lovely time. And even you yourself have really enjoyed every moment. And I say a prayer that God will bless each one of you and your families. A very happy Christmas and a blessed New Year 2013. Thank you. But I cannot end without saying a special word of thanks to Malini, Suguna, Uma, then Sunil and Usha. These five have really slowed for the past so many months.
सारा स्टाफ हम मिलके कितना बच्चों के साथ जो कितना एंजॉय किया है। अभी भी ऐसा लगता है कि सेंट एंथनी से निकलते हैं तो लगता है कि ये भी एक हमारा घर है। और जहाँ कहीं भी चले जाओ वहाँ पे सेंट एंथनी के बच्चे हमें ज़रूर मिलते हैं। मेरी सिस्टर इंग्लैंड गई थी, वो बोलती है कि नेक्स्ट बिल्डिंग में जो कोई रहते थे उनकी लड़की थी, तो वो भी काम पे जाती थी, तो कहती थी कि मैं सेंट एंथनी की पढ़ी हुई हूँ। तो मैंने कहा कि मेरी बहन वहाँ पढ़ाती थी, कहती है अच्छा हिंदी पढ़ाते थे वो बहन जी मिस। हाँ, तो वो बोल रही थी कि हर जगह पर तुम्हारे स्टूडेंट मिलते हैं, कहीं पे चले जाओ वहाँ कोई एक दो तो मिल ही जाते हैं। बोले सेंट एंथनी इतना बड़ा इंस्टीट्यूट रहा है कि सब जगह हमारे बच्चे मिलेंगे। और हम चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए सेंट एंथनी को कभी भूल नहीं सकते। सेंट एंथनी ने हमें बहुत कुछ दिया है। गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल ऑफ यू। और आपने जो आयोजन किया है इतना बढ़िया, वो भी भूल नहीं सकते हम।
I found the place quite different from Benin. I was not from Benin. I was teaching in Calcutta College, and the first day I put my leg up, I met a nun, and she said, "Where are you going?" I said, "I'm going to school." "Which school?" I said, "Calcutta College." She said, "You are so foolish." "Well, Mr. Manuel, why not? I'm so far. Then I thought India close by." So I joined her and then I went for the interview, and she said, "Tomorrow you come." So I was so happy about it. Thanks to my sister also later on. So next day I went to Sister Kanosha. I said, "Tomorrow I'm giving my resignation." She said, "What?" She said, "Yes, I like that. The school also that is
Our little girls of 1982 batch have become mothers today, and in spite of all the responsibilities that you have, all of you have been so enthusiastic to come and make this day a great success. And I've come all the way from Goa, and I think it was really 100% worth it. And it has been a very emotional reunion for me. Thank you very much. May God bless all of you.
I was very much touched when Suguna and Malini contacted me in Goa about this reunion. Because St. Anthony's was my second home, because I joined the school in 1964. And since then, I was here till 1991 when I took voluntary retirement. But I really miss St. Anthony's because I had to go down to Goa to look after my mother. And when this occasion came, I said I must make it to Bombay somehow with all my other activities in Goa. I did it, and I don't have a single moment of regret because I really enjoyed my whole stay here today with all your effort that you have put over the last whole year, I'm sure, and today it has reached the maximum point of success. We really, I think with all my co-teachers here, we have all enjoyed every single moment of this day. And thank you very, very much. God bless you and your families. And a Merry Christmas and very Happy New Year. And keep growing.
On behalf of all primary teachers, I'm thanking each one of you. But none of the teachers are here.
I must tell you that I'm probably the oldest Antonian here because my childhood was in St. Anthony's. I joined St. Anthony's in 1950. That's a really, really long time ago. So I am not only a teacher, but I was a student too. So I feel like one of you proud of my school. So proud of my school. And when I hear about the other schools in the vicinity being better than Anthony's, I know in my heart that's not true. That we are the best. And we are all the best. So let's cheer ourselves up and know no one can be quite like us. Yes. Thank you.
Excuse me if I say anything wrong. First thing I tell you, teaching was a profession for me. But now I am only teaching religion. So naturally everything will come in a pious word, which everyone may not be able to digest it. That is the word. Since you have taken a full food meal, please see that you are digesting all of them with the name of God. I have been in St. Anthony's as a substitute, as Phil Pinto says. Today we had a talk, so she was telling me, you don't remember you come as a substitute for me. The rest of the joke is not to be told. So I am enjoying the jokes and all, but I am very thankful for all the children and all the staff teachers and the sisters who had been very kind to me. So long I was teaching there, so long I was taking part in everything. I was really vivacious in all those things. And too talkative also. Now I want to reduce my talk so that other people's ears are nice to hear other people's words. Thanking you one and all. Again, that's it. See the bravery.
I know the answer, teacher. Love.
100 marks for you. Huh? So thanking you all once again. Let this happen another time also. So all the other old teachers will come to join you all. There are teachers who will grow old, no? So you should be an
I
example.
want to share an instance of this one after she finishes.
Yes. So I have to put a full stop.
No, not at all. Continue.
So this is it. This religion also is over now. Okay? You can continue. Thanking you one and all with heartfelt love. Love is the only thing. People, when I used to give them food, used to ask me, what have you added in it which gives us this flavor? I said, I add only love. Love and love. Namak love, sugar love, savory love, everything love. So I give only love and can take love, but if anything else is given also, I have to see to it, isn't it? So thanking you all once again.
जिंदगी में फिर कभी तुझसे भी मिलना चाहता हूँ। मैं अभी कच्चा ही हूँ, ना समझ बच्चा ही हूँ। इल्म की मोहर लगाकर मैं संभलना चाहता हूँ। That is, I'm still a child. I'm very, innocent, naive. I want to study. I want to get educated. So I don't have time to live my life. Next you move on to become a youngster. मुझ पे आई है जवानी, खून में है वो रवानी. इस रवानी से गुजर, आगे निकलना चाहता हूँ. जिंदगी में फिर कभी तुझसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. When you become young, you're busy racing ahead in life, you're competing. Again, you don't have time to live. Then you get into old age. वक्त के मनहूस साए और मेरे बढ़ रहे हैं. दोस्त हो या हम सफर हो, पत्तियों से झड़ रहे हैं. मैं वीरान गलियों में भटकना चाहता हूँ. जिंदगी में फिर कभी तुझसे भी मिलना चाहता हूँ. Again, I don't have the time to live. And finally, a day comes when I'm on the verge of my death. And that is when I want to go back to each and every event of my life and recapture the moments. बचपने में लौट कर टिकट पे मेरे और मैं घर में मरो. है नहीं जुर्रत की है नहीं हिम्मत की खुद को इस कदर रुस्वा करो. तेरे मिलने से भी पहले क्यों तुझे रुखसत करो. जिंदगी में आज बस तुझसे ही मिलना चाहता हूँ. जिंदगी में आज बस तुझसे ही मिलना चाहता हूँ. And today I think each one of us has met a slice of our life. Today is the day I want to make my life over and over and over again. Thank you very much. She will sing.
The children have grown.
Yeah, I'm going to guide her. You guided me till today.
अभी मैं जवान है दिल, अभी मैं जवान. बेहोश हूँ बिन पिए, कल का भी गम किसने. बेहोश हूँ बिन पिए, कल का भी गम किसने. अभी मैं जवान है दिल, अभी मैं जवान. दुनिया का क्या एतबार, कौन अपना करार. दुनिया का क्या एतबार, कौन अपना करार. चुन ले मुरादों के फूल, बीते न यूं ही बहार. चुन ले मुरादों के फूल, बीते न यूं ही बहार. ताक में है खिज़ाए, अभी मैं जवान.
Yes, look here, okay, ready? 1 second. थोड़ा सा इधर move on हो जाएगा.
Okay, next is C division. My dear C division, I think I was in C. D is over, huh? D वाले जल्दी जाओ. D, have you missed the bus? Come on, everybody.
Come from this side. आगे ही आगे. Yes, look here. Look here. Yes, look here. Okay, ready? Okay. Thank you.